Good morning, good morning. We're back at the Capilano River. Seems like everywhere I go, there's like another van lifer or, full-time RVer. I just passed by one vehicle back there, and there's another one right there. And we even got an RV up there in the place that I was thinking of staying one day. But this is my fishing parking, so I'll always find another spot to park. I mean, it'd be nice just to wake up, walk out the door, go straight out, fish, but we also got this to deal with. Super steep. Like super steep. So we were here the other day. I didn't really do much recording yesterday. I was just like, whatever. Like, I did do some recording, but it wasn't anything that I deemed interesting. So, the water's up. We might not be able to fish here. We'll see. Oh yeah, the water's really high. Wow. Change of plans. That rain last night really did a number on the river. So yes, the other day, all this was almost dry. Like, not dry, but you could walk along all those rocks all the way up to about where my fishing pole is. Well, there's a big fancy rock here. The question is there any fish in here? I can't tell. Well, that's super disappointing. Like, I was actually kind of excited to do a little bit of fishing this morning, and we're completely blocked in. Yeah, this is too shallow for my fly rod. There's no way I can throw a spinner in there without getting snagged up on the rocks below. It's literally like 8 inches of water on rock. Yep, I'm calling it. We need to find somewhere else to go. Well, that sucked. Well, off to our next location. I just need to climb the hill again. Man, just when you find like the perfect spot to go fishing, you get all prepared, and well, the rain has different plans for you. I figured out a little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt, but that's a lot of rain. Welcome to the West Coast. Can't believe it's like 11 o'clock. Not even 11 o'clock yet, and it's like super gloomy and dark. See you guys in the next location. I was not expecting the rain to be like this until like 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Well, Vancouver, you plan for the rain. I've got my rain jacket on. I don't think it's gonna let up, and we're just gonna have a little bit of rain, but it should slow down here in a little bit. And then 4 p.m. it's supposed to really pick up. 0.8 millimeters of rain, and right now it says it's 0.3 millimeters of rain. So yeah, should I bring my umbrella? Nah, we'll just put my hood up on my jacket and we'll go for a walk. I'm not bringing the fly rod. This is not a fly rod location. I don't even think we'll be able to get the spot I want to go to. Yeah, we'll try it. We'll see. Let's go find out. Are you serious right now? Half my teacup spilt all over the floor. So my entire floor is just soaking wet right now. Oh man. Problem for later, I guess. Alright. I was here before, and there was literally 3 people standing on rocks down here. Today, it's completely clear. Now, should have I brought my fly rod? Probably not. There's not enough space behind me to do overhead cast. But we bought our spin reel, and we're gonna see if we can carefully get down this mountain here, because it's pretty slippery, and that's what I'm concerned about, is getting there safely. All right, I don't know where that trail leads, but pretty sure this is the way I came up. Yeah. Gee, I almost should have brought a rope or something, eh? We made it to our little spot. Oh, there is a rope up there. Good. Alright. We're going to set up here. There was one other guy here just a minute ago. He said no luck, but it's not going to stop me from trying. Set up the rod, throw it in the water.
A few minutes later.
Well, I've had like 2 or 3 bites so far, and then I lost my jig. So threw another one on. We're gonna throw it back in the water. We're gonna keep trying. It is raining, but it's not terrible. I mean, my jacket's soaking wet, but I'm not wet. So why not? This is West Coast weather, I guess. We'll keep enjoying it. I'm gonna throw the hook back in the water and keep fishing. This is pretty fun. Now we just need to get a fish on shore, and then we need to determine whether it's a steelhead, chum, coho, because we can only keep Chinooks and kings. So crossing our fingers we catch a king. The king of the water.
3 hours later.
I'm like completely out of breath. I haven't even started the big hill climb yet. Whew. No fish yet, guys. Really sucks, but hey, at least we're out here having fun instead of like hiding out in the van doing nothing. It was a great day fishing. I got 1 foul hooked fish. It took my jig. Lost another jig, I have no idea how. And then the other one, well, it was snagged. It's gone. So 3 jigs gone. But we had 2 fish on the hook. So we lost 2 fish and we had a couple nibbles. So all in all, I think that's a good day fishing. Whew. So beautiful. We're gonna make back to the van, warm up. My feet are freezing. I think we've been fishing like 5 hours or something like that. It's been a good day. See you guys back at the van. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to do any recording with these guys hard at work. Here I am fishing like all day, and these guys are, you know, making the world go round. We got the cranes going, we got that crane going, that crane's going. Yeah, they're all busy They're all busy. They're all hard at work doing things. It's a little bit noisy, but hey, it's a quiet place to park. You know, when it's quitting time. It's just about like 4:30 or something. They should be quitting pretty soon. But yeah, what a great day fishing. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, we didn't catch a fish. Yeah, we didn't bring a fish home. We didn't put fish in the freezer, but that's all right. As long as I'm getting bites on the fishing rod, that's all that matters. Man, that guy is going crazy. Where's this guy going? Keep twisting that thing, it'll just unscrew itself and pop off the hook. Oh man, yeah. Oh, this one's moving too. We got all 4 cranes. We got 5 cranes going right now. Cool. I don't get to see cranes like this often. Like, you know, the biggest building we have, you know, in my little town, it's like 3, maybe 4 stories. So we don't have massive cranes like this. So it's kind of neat to see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight, guys. I don't know what else to say. I mean, fishing's fishing. If it wasn't fishing, it would be catching, right? It wouldn't be called fishing anymore, now would it? So yeah, we're gonna hang out in the van. We're gonna cook a steak, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. Probably fishing. If not, hanging out in the van. That's pretty much what I did yesterday. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.